Hi, my name is Maylee Adams, and I'm going to teach you how to do a huff cough. So huff coughs help clear your airways. For when you have a cough, it's good to do that, or when you just feel like something's stuck there, if you know what I mean. But so I'll describe the process, and then I will demonstrate it. So you start with 3 deep breaths, or I guess just 3 normal breaths. Make sure you have good posture though, because good posture helps get air to the bottom of your lungs, usually where it doesn't get. So, you do 3 deep normal breaths. Not deep normal breaths, just normal breaths. And then you start with a deep inhale as much as you can, and then you gotta blow it all out as fast as you can. And then I like to hold my breath for like 3 seconds after to kind of get that full effect, but you don't have to. So I'll demonstrate it now. I like to do it just like you do a PFT. So just breathe it in and blow it out. So have a good day.